Meaning, nature, and scope of mathematics. Meaning and nature of mathematics. From the centuries, mathematics has been recognized as one of the central strands of human intellectual activity. From the very beginning, mathematics has been a living and growing intellectual pursuit. It has its roots in everyday activities and forms the basic structure of our highly advanced technological developments. Mathematics plays an important role in accelerating the social, economical, and technological growth of a nation. It is more so in India as the nation is rapidly moving towards globalization in all aspects. Therefore, it is necessary to prepare the child with a strong base of mathematics knowledge to face the challenges of the modern technological society. Meaning and definitions. The term mathematics is derived from two Greek words, mathanin and techne. Etymological meaning of mathanen is learning and techne is an art or technique. Therefore, the meaning of mathematics is art of learning related to disciplines or faculties. In Sanskrit, Gan means counting. Hence, Ganitam is term for mathematics means sum. The term mathematics may be defined in a number of ways. It is an exact science which is related to measurements, calculations, discovering relationship and dealing with the problems of space. New English Dictionary states mathematics in a strict sense is the abstract science which investigates deductively the conclusions implicit in the elementary conceptions of spatial and numerical relations. Mathematics is defined in different ways by different authors. Mathematics definitions. The progress and the improvement of mathematics are linked to prosperity of the state. Napoleon. Mathematics is a way to settle in the mind a habit of reasoning. Locke. Mathematics is the queen of sciences and arithmetic is the queen of all mathematics. Gauss. Mathematics is the gateway and key to all sciences. Bacon. Mathematics is the study of quantity. Aristotle. Mathematics is a subject identical with logic. Bertrand Russell. Mathematics is a science of order and measure. Descartes. Mathematics is engaged in fact in the profound study of art and the expression of beauty. J.B. Shaw. Mathematics is thought moving in the sphere of complete abstraction from any particular instance of what it is talking about. N. Whichid. The term mathematics has been interpreted and explained in following ways. It is a systematized, organized, and exact branch of science. It deals with numbers and calculations that are part of man's life and knowledge. Numbers rule the universe. It helps the man to give exact interpretation to his ideas and conclusions. It has its own language, signs, symbols, terms, and operations, etc. It involves man's high cognitive powers. It helps in drawing conclusions and interpreting various concepts of any kind. It has own tools like intuition, logic, reasoning, analysis, construction generality, and individuality, etc. It helps in solving the problems of our life and disclosing the realm of nature. It is a science of space, From all the above mentioned definitions, it can be seen that mathematics has so many functions.